Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Knowledge Library. And today we are diving into the top current affairs from this week. Starting with current affairs of 2nd September 2024. National news. The Department of Social Justice and Empowerment has invited inputs from stakeholders and the public at large to ensure that policies and initiatives regarding the LGBTQI+ community are inclusive and effective. 15-year-old international master Mayank Chakraborty wins his second Grand Master norm in Greece. Home Ministry constitutes interministerial central team to assess damages caused by rainfall and floods in Gujarat. Ashwini Vaishnav dedicates gauge conversion of Pilbhit, Shahgarh railway section. Jyotiraditya Scindia highlights role of India Post Payments Bank in fulfilling financial inclusion during 7th Foundation Day of India Post Payments Bank. Air Marshal Tejinder Singh takes over as Deputy Chief of the Air Staff. Muslim scholars, religious leaders meet Union Minister Kiran Rijiju and extend their support to changes proposed in Waqf Amendment Bill 2024. International news. South Korea to conduct offensive cyber defense operations to protect national infrastructure from hacking attacks. Bangladesh HC rejects writ petition that sought ban on Awami League. UN agencies in Gaza launch campaign to vaccinate 640,000 children against polio. Myanmar to conduct comprehensive population and housing census. UAE launches 2-month visa amnesty program for those residing in the country illegally. A Russian helicopter carrying 22 people has gone missing near the Vachkazhets volcano in the Kamchatka region, Russia. Sports news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today held a telephonic conversation with Indian athletes who have clinched a medal in the ongoing Paris Paralympic as of now. The athletes included bronze medalists Mona Agrawal, Preeti Pal, Rubina Francis, and silver medalist Manish Narwal. 14th Hockey India Congress held in Lucknow with representatives from all 31 state member units. Himanshi Tokas clinches silver medal at Asian Cadet Judo Championships. Team India ready to showcase their talent at WorldSkills Competition 2024 in France. India secures 4 medals including 1 gold at Deaf Shooting Championship in Germany. News headlines 3rd September 2024. National news. MIB denies rumors about alleged notice issued by LIC. SC grants bail to Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal's aide Bibhav Kumar in Swati Maliwal assault case. Indigo commences operations between Chennai and Jaffna with daily flights. Union Cabinet approves Digital Agriculture Mission with total cost of 2,817 crore rupees. SC constitutes committee headed by former HC Judge Justice Nawab Singh Former. IMB Ministry seeks explanation from Netflix over web series I-814 content row. IMD issues warning for heavy rainfall across western, central, and southern India. International news. Indian missions in the UAE issue detailed guidelines on 2-month amnesty scheme. Sports news. Shuttler Nitesh Kumar wins gold medal at Paris Paralympics. Yogesh Kathunia wins silver in men's discus throw F56 final. Indian para shuttler Tulsimanthi Murugesan reaches final in women's SU5 badminton event. India's US Open men's doubles campaign ended as Bopanna and Ebden loses to Argentine pair. Tuamku Muhriz Trophy 2024, Abhay Singh upsets top seed to win 10th PSA to title in squash. Preeti Pal makes history with bronze and Nishad Kumar wins silver at Paris Paralympics 2024. News headlines 4th September 2024. National news. IIT Bombay's 2024 placement season concludes with average annual package of 23.5 lakh rupees. Centre expands PMA benefits to marginalized workers. Cabinet Committee on Security approves procurement of 240 aero-engines for IAF Su-30 MKI aircraft. Centre notifies constitution of 23rd Law Commission. IAF's MiG-29 fighter jet crashes near Burma, pilot ejects safely. IPFA launches new 5-digit toll-free number to enhance claimant support services. International news. South Africa announces Tito's scheme to boost tourism from India. India achieves 40th rank in 2023 edition of Global Innovation Index. Yemen's Houthi militia group claim responsibility for attacking Panama-flagged Blue Lagoon I oil ship. Abu Dhabi Crown Prince inaugurates IIT Delhi Abu Dhabi campus. Sports news. Paralympics 2024, Sheetal, Rakesh secure bronze in mixed compound archery event. US Open, Rohan Bopanna, Aldila Sugyadi enter mixed doubles semi-finals. Sumit Antil, Nitesh Kumar win gold at Paris Paralympics 2024. WTT Youth Contender 2024, Divyanshi Bhaumik clinches bronze medal. News headlines 5th September 2024. National news. Centre extends ceasefire agreement with National Socialist Council of Nagaland. Centre, Tripura government and representatives of NLFT and ATF signs peace pact in New Delhi. India to hold second edition of International Conference on Green Hydrogen from September 11 to 13. Initiative Lab Mitra receives National E-Governance Gold Award at National E-Governance Conference 2024. IMD issues alert for heavy to very heavy rainfall in various states. International news. Postal voting process for presidential election officially commences in Sri Lanka. Nepal trade point of Khasa opens for cargo trucks to Kathmandu after 2 weeks closure. IGCF 2024 kicks off in Sharjah. Over 250 experts discuss future of government communication. Sports news. Paris Paralympics. India's shot put thrower Sachin Khilari wins silver medal. News headlines 6th September 2024. National news. Search on for missing pilot of chopper off Porbandar coast. President Draupadi Murmu to confers national awards to 82 teachers on occasion of Teachers' Day. Election Commission issues notification for Haryana Assembly elections. Retail sale of onion begins in Delhi NCR and Mumbai. Central team visits flood-affected districts in Andhra Pradesh. International news. India-Saudi Arabia bolster defense ties in 6th Joint Committee meeting. World's largest low-carbon hydrogen facility to be built in Texas through ADNOC ExxonMobil partnership. First phase of polio vaccinations in Gaza's central zone reached 187,000 children. China's National Meteorological Center issues red alert for Typhoon Yagi. Sports news. Harvinder Singh creates history by becoming first ever Indian archer to win Paralympic gold medal. News headlines 7 September 2024. National news. Harvinder Singh and Prithi Pal to be country's flag bearers in closing ceremony of Paris Paralympics Games. Supreme Court denies to hear plea filed by Sandeep Ghosh. Centre allocates 1,400 crore rupees for research, development and 10,000 crore rupees for PLI in technical textiles sector. SC grants bail to Bhushan Steel former MD Neeraj Singhal in money laundering case. NDRF teams rescued 350 people, evacuated 15,000 individuals from flood-affected areas in Andhra Pradesh. INB Minister Ashwini Vaishnav holds meeting with Japanese Minister for Digital Transformation Taro Kono. IMD forecasts moderate to heavy rainfall over parts of West, Central India for next 4 to 5 days. International news. MMA reports decline in foreign reserves in Maldives. Indian High Commissioner in Bangladesh meets advisor of interim government Muhammad Fawzul Kabir Khan. CBSE's first regional office in Dubai hosted orientation session for principals on Teachers' Day. Sports news. Praveen Kumar wins gold medal in men's high jump T64 final. Wrestler Jyoti Berwal wins gold medal in U20 World Championships. Information and Broadcasting Ministry organized Khel Utsav 2024. Kapil Parmar clinches India's first ever Paralympic medal in judo. News headlines 8 September 2024. National news. Centre discharges 2023 batch IAS probationer Pooja Khedkar from service with immediate effect. Over 17 lakh saplings planted across 15 states in Mega Oil Palm Plantation Drive 2024. IMD forecasts enhanced rainfall for Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Telangana over next 4 days. PIB's fact-check unit warned against fraudulent website of BSNL. 258 officer cadets, 39 women officer cadets commissioned into various arms and services of Indian Army. India successfully carries out launch of Agni 4 ballistic missile from integrated test range at Chandipur. International news. Super Typhoon Yagi strikes northern Vietnam after devastating Hainan. South Korea and US held simulation drills for nuclear deterrence in Washington. Israeli army withdrew from West Bank city of Jenin. Sports news. Sports Minister Mansukh Mandavia felicitates 6 returning medalists from Paris Paralympics in New Delhi. Indian women secure overall second place at U20 World Wrestling Championships with 1 gold, 1 silver and 3 bronze in Spain. Nagaland government announces 1.5 crore rupees to Olympic medalist Hokto Hotoje Sama for Paris Paralympics bronze. India secures 27 medals at Paris Paralympics 2024, 6 gold, 9 silver and 12 bronze. Nitika wins silver medal in women's 62 kg freestyle category at U20 World Championships. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update.